Hi friends, it's Morah Bayla, and today, what do you see I have with me? Today I have a lot of baking ingredients back with me and my big red mixing bowl because today I'm going to be baking muffins. Chocolate chip muffins. Are you ready to come along with me and do our muffin baking together? Today I'm going to start with 1.5 cups of flour. Let me get my flour, and I'm going to measure 1 cup of flour and 1/2 cup of flour. Here's my 1/2 cup. And do you see I can pour my flour into my bowl? Now do you see inside my bowl? I have a lot of flour inside my red bowl. What's going to come next? Next, I need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. This is my baking powder. It helps my muffins grow and become fluffy and yummy. So let me get my teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Can you see me put it in? And now I need 1/2 teaspoon. So let me get the other 1/2 teaspoon. And now I have baking powder and flour inside of my muffins bowl. What is going to come next? Next, I need to add 1/2 cup of sugar. This is my sugar, and I'm going to take my 1/2 cup again and measure out my sugar. Now I have my sugar and I can pour it into my bowl. Do you see the sugar sprinkling down into my bowl? And now I have 3 white ingredients: flour, baking powder, and sugar inside my bowl. 1, 2, 3. What is going to be my ingredient number 4? What comes next? Next is another white ingredient. This time I need to put in some salt. And I need to put 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let me measure my salt and pour it in. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 white ingredients inside of my bowl. What comes next? Next, I need 1/2 cup of milk. And today, I'm not going to use regular cow's milk. Today, I'm going to use almond milk. And let me shake my almond milk container up and get my 1/2 cup measurer. And can you see me pour the almond milk? Oh, I need 1 cup, not 1/2 cup. Okay, I'll do it twice. And can you see me pouring the almond milk into my cup measurer? And you can see me pour it into the bowl. Now my ingredients are not just dry, now they're getting wetter. And soon I'm going to use my spoon and mix it all up. And here's my other 1/2 cup of almond milk. Okay, now what's next? What goes into my bowl next? Next, I need to put 1 egg. Here is my white egg, and here is my glass cup I'm going to use to crack my egg. Can you see? I cracked it, and I can open it up and put it in. Here is my egg. I'm going to check. Do I have any red spots in my egg? Can you see? No, I don't have red spots, so I can pour it into my bowl. Do you see inside my bowl? It's wet and watery. It's not just dry anymore. The last thing I'm going to put in before I mix is another wet ingredient. This is margarine. It used to be a stick of margarine, but then I put it in the microwave in my kitchen, and now it's melted, and I can pour it in. What color is my margarine? Do you see? My margarine is yellow. And I can pour my yellow margarine into my bowl. And now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to mix. While I mix, should we sing a song about our muffins? And we can sing 5 5 little muffins in the bakery shop. Warm and yummy with chocolate chips on top. In came Mommy with $1 to pay. She took 1 muffin and went on her way. Now there were 4 little muffins in the bakery shop. Warm and yummy with seeds on top. In came Daddy with $1 to pay. He took 1 muffin and went on his way. And now there were 3 little muffins in the bakery shop. Warm and yummy with chocolate chips on top. In came you, say your name. In came with $1 to pay. They took 1 muffin and went on their way. And now there were 2 little muffins in the bakery shop. Warm and yummy with seeds on top. In came, you can say a name of a friend who's in your class with you at Chabad. In came with $1 to pay. They took 1 muffin and went on their way. And now there was just 1 little muffin in the bakery shop. Warm and yummy with chocolate chips on top. In came, now say the name of one of your Morahs. In came Morah with $1 to pay. She took 1 muffin and went on her way. And now there are no more muffins in the bakery shop. But guess what? We're making muffins right now. So maybe we can send some of our muffins over to the bakery shop and pretend. And now you can look at my muffin batter, and it's very creamy. It's all mixed together. So the last ingredient I need to add is the specialist one. These are some chocolate chips. They're mini chocolate chips, and I can pour them into my cup measurer. 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to measure it. Okay, and now I can pour them into my bowl. And I can mix the chocolate chips all in. That is a lot of chocolate chips. I think my muffins are gonna come out very chocolatey. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, and now I'm going to move away all of the things I don't need anymore. The next thing I need to do, now that all of my other stuff is moved away, I need to put all the muffins into these little muffin tins. So what I'm going to do is I have these special papers, let me open it up, that I'm going to put in each of the little holes, in each of the little slots. 1 muffin paper for each of the slots. Okay. Let me do it. And next, when I'm done with that, I'm going to use my spray, and I'm going to spray each one of my papers to make sure that my muffins do not get stuck. Do you see? And while I do that, let's sing another song. We can sing, I wish I were an airplane, I'd fly across the sea. I'd fly to the land of Israel, that's where I want to be. And last week was Israel Day. Maybe you went on to Zoom and saw Morah Bayla and Rabbi Chaim singing some Israel songs, and that's where I like to go when I go on a plane. And now all my papers are ready for me to put my muffin batter inside. So I'm going to start measuring. Would you like to count with me? I can count. 1 little muffin. First, I'm gonna need to put it in the oven. then it will be ready. And 2. Here is my second muffin. And are you ready for number 3? 3 little muffins in the bakery shop. And now I can do number 4. Oops, I got it a little bit on the side. I'll clean that up when I'm done. Number 4. And number 5. Here is going to be my 5th muffin. And number 6. Number 6. And I'm going to do it all the way until I get to number 12. And then what I'm going to do, when all of my muffins are measured into my tin, I'm going to take my pan and I'm going to put it into the oven, and then I'm going to bake it for around 15 minutes. And when it's all done, it'll be a yummy muffin that's ready for my family and me to eat. And should we maybe sing one more song before we go? We can sing, we can sing another song about transportation. We sing about the plane flying in the sky to Israel. And another kind of transportation is the bus. So should we sing, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. And the doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. And the people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all around the town. And what if it was raining then? The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. And now we went on a plane and we sang about the bus. And now, if you can see, all my muffins are ready. So I'm going to say goodbye now, and then I'll go and put my muffins in the oven. Thank you, friends, for coming along on this muffin journey with me and going with me step by step as I put in the flour and all the other dry white ingredients. And then I added the wet ingredients and mixed. And then I added the chocolate chips, and then I spread them out into the different muffins. Bye, friends. I'll see you again tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day.